This video is to let you know the difference between Cranberry Hibiscus and Roselle. It's two complete different plants. This is actually a Cranberry Hibiscus. The leaves are edible from the Cranberry Hibiscus, and it can be used as a ornamental as well as add to your salad. These are some young plants I have in the front of my yard as a ornamental. See, this is Cranberry Hibiscus. Alright, let me go ahead now and show you these are young plants. They're probably gonna grow up to about like 4 feet tall, or even maybe 5 feet. So this is actually cranberry. Look at it, Cranberry Hibiscus. I'm gonna be showing you now the Roselle, two different plants. And over here, this is Roselle, two big plants. You notice the difference? One is green, one is actually, have that purple color, really. So this actually be a fruit that you could eat. You could make jams, you could make a drink, make a flower just like the okra. It's part of the okra family. And this is different. That's the difference. Big difference. Look, as you see, this is Roselle. The other plant is Cranberry Hibiscus. Look at the leaves. It's a younger plant right here. Roselle. This Roselle. So these are the difference. One has green leaf. Alright, if you look over here, this is actually seedlings I planted a couple weeks ago off the Cranberry Hibiscus. I'm going to be transplanting these into the front to let it be ornamentals. And this is actually the Roselle. You see, big difference. Alright, thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks.